Chris Mackowski of Emerging Civil War. I'm at Bennett Place, a state historic site here in North Carolina in Durham, and a beautiful, beautiful little spot. But one of my favorite Civil War monuments is this Unity Monument that was erected in 1923 here. The reconstructed house that the meeting between Sherman and Johnson took place in. The original house burned down in 1921, but was reconstructed for the centennial. In the meantime, this monument was installed in 1923, and it says Unity at the top. And of course, at the time, very reconciliationist message between North and South, and that sort of whitewashes the story of the enslaved. You know, the war was about slavery, and yet the idea of veterans coming together from North and South sort of whitewashes that story over. But when I think about that message of unity, it's not just North and South. It is black and white. It's people coming together of all sorts of different backgrounds. And I think about that today in today's very polarized partisan times. How can we come together expressing that sense of unity? Because this is a monument that was raised by the veterans in 1923 to speak to the war, but it also speaks to the future. It speaks to us today, and it's one of the important messages that we can take away from Bennett Place, that idea of coming together, moving forward into the future together, stronger as a result. So it makes Bennett Place, to me, one of the most wonderful contemplative spots, and one of those places where we can really put our boots on the ground and walk in the footsteps of history and take away a tangible lesson that is relevant to us today. I'm Chris Mackowski for Emerging Civil War. We'll see you online and on the battlefield.